Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Range Rover Westminster D300 Black, with an eye-catching Eiger Grey exterior complementing the black exterior pack. This Range Rover also comes fitted with LED headlights as well as 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, also featuring keyless entry and privacy glass. Heading over to the back of the Range Rover now, we're just going to take a look at some more of that gloss black badging and then open up the power tailgate to show plenty of space for any luggage or shopping. This Range Rover also benefits from a full service history as well as boasting an impressive 296 brake horsepower. Stepping inside the Range Rover now, we're just going to take a look at the driver's seat memory function as well as a Meridian sound system and electric window controls. Also featuring a sliding panoramic sunroof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and a cruise control. And then coming up to the digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, I've got the gear shift as well as the extremely responsive Touch Pro infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the heated front seats, rear camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Range Rover now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also featuring ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.